The current demonstration shows the installation of the stainless steel vacuum chamber. First, locate the matching ceramic electrodes. They are the KF40 port and the KF25 port, respectively. Install the KF40 on the positive terminal and the KF25 on the negative terminal. Warm reminder, ceramic electrodes are fragile. Pay attention to protection when taking and installing. Take out the KF40 clamp and disassemble it. Remove the stainless steel rubber ring from it. Install the rubber ring to the hole. Then insert the flat side of the ceramic electrode into the hole. Then install the stainless steel clamp. Adjust the position and lock the clamp to ensure that it does not leak. The installation method for the negative electrode is the same and will not be repeated here. Next, install the power cable inside the vacuum chamber. The principle is red to red, blue to black. Take the negative line as an example. First, remove the black cap nut, the hex nut, and the washer. Then insert the blue power cord vertically. Reinstall the washer and the nut. There is some movement in the power cable. Use 2 open-end wrenches and turn them in opposite directions until the power cord is fastened and does not shake. Reinstall the cap nut. The connection method on the other side is the same and will not be repeated. Next, connect the power control cabinet power cord. Red to red, blue to black. First, unscrew and remove the cap nut and the hex nut, then take out one washer. Thread the power cable from the control cabinet through it. Then reinstall the washer and the nut. Adjust power cord position. After confirming everything is correct, secure it in place. With 2 open wrenches, twist against each other until the power cord is fastened and does not shake. Reinstall the red cap nut. The method on the other side is the same and will not be described again. Next step, align the temperature probe with the connector, insert it, and tighten it securely. Next, align the temperature control cable from the control cabinet with the connector, insert it, and tighten it securely. Finally, connect the vacuum pump. First, find the adapter shown in the picture. Then disassemble the KF25 clamp. Place the centering ring on the flange. Install the adapter and secure it by tightening the clamp. Finally, connect the vacuum hose to the vacuum pump. Use the plier to secure the clamp to ensure airtightness. The installation of the stainless steel vacuum box is completed.